Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 G30 540i M Sport. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in the carbon Schwarz metallic, features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside some very sought after BMW options. Starting with the front of the car, it does come with the BMW adaptive LED headlights, as you can see there. So in the turning direction of the steering input, the headlights will follow, giving a greater distance of vision. The alloy wheels are the option 20-inch BMW alloys that we've had professionally refurbished in frozen black. Sitting up behind those, you do get the M Sport Plus brakes on the 540i, and of course you're certainly going to be grateful of bigger stopping power. Down the side of the car, we've got the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC M Performance decals. It also does come with the sun protection glazing. Inside the car, we've got a full Oyster Dakota leather, which is of course all being very nicely illuminated by the interchangeable ambient lighting. And of course we can show you a little bit further more of that shortly. For rear passengers, there's a very spacious and very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again you can see just how powerful that ambient lighting setting is. Darkened M Sport headline, and of course around at the back of the car, once again you can see the gloss black rear boot spoiler. The 540i's do come with the xDrive 4-wheel drive system, which is a really powerful weapon in its arsenal, keeping all of the power grips to the road. Rear facing reversing camera on this vehicle as well. Huge boot space, as you can see there, always a signature feature of a 5 Series. All lovely and clean and tidy in there. Round at the driver's side, once again, you can see just how well that carbon Schwarz metallic works with all of the additions we've made, alongside being a lovely, clean and tidy example. And now we'll go through and show you some more of this wonderful G30 540i's interior features, beginning with one of my personal favourites, which is the digital cockpit. So inside, you can see there, just the backings of the dials are illuminated. We'll start the car up and then everything will come to life properly. We've also got a wonderful professional wired navigation and media screen. That's all touchscreen, something I'll go into shortly. In terms of mileage, this car's covered just over 23,000 miles. Should I engage sport on the performance mode select, again you're going to get a different look to those dials alongside a very large digital speedo. That is all customizable thanks to the individual settings on here, as you can see there. So if you're going to configure individual, you can see just exactly what we can change. So you can change things even down to the transmission settings, which is of course always that nice bit of individuality. Back at the home screen now, a feature where the touchscreen really comes into a league of its own is certainly the sat-nav system. As you can see, you can pinch zoom, we can scroll around, we can set destinations by simply tapping in there. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreens, don't worry, because there is still an iDrive scroll wheel and relevant buttons still provided. However, it's a really easy unit to use. Communications wise, there's Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone alongside screen mirroring on this vehicle, as you can see over there. In terms of your multimedia, there's a huge amount in terms of the media and radio, DAB, music collection, CD, DVD, and all of the usual refinements such as USB and AUX. We've also got the wonderful heads-up display, as you can see there. So that's not only going to display your current road speed, it'll also display turn-by-turn directions should you have a sat-nav route set. Again, just quickly showing you that rear-facing reversing camera before we finish off by giving you a little sound demonstration of this wonderful 540i. So we'll click and ensure that the car is in its most sportiest setting. Open up both sides of that wonderful dual exit exhaust and just quickly give you a little sound demonstration. Really nice sounding engine. If you want some more information on the 540i, if you look down below in the description, you'll see a link to our website. From there you can view all of the prices and funding options that are of course available. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.